Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into educational technology and exploring the top apps and tools you should be using in 2024. As we continue to embrace the digital age, staying updated with the latest innovations that can enhance our learning experience is essential. Whether you're a student, educator, or lifelong learner, these resources are designed to make learning more accessible, engaging, and effective. So, let's jump right in and discover the educational apps and tools shaping the future of learning. First, let's talk about virtual reality, or VR, learning experiences. In 2024, VR technology has revolutionized how we engage with educational content. Imagine stepping into historical events, exploring the ocean's depths, or dissecting a virtual frog, all from the comfort of your own home. Apps like VR Classroom and immersive learning have made immersive education a reality, allowing users to interact with 3D models and simulations that bring learning to life. Next, let's explore the power of AI-powered tutoring apps. With the rise of personalized learning, AI tutors like EduBot and SmartStudy have become invaluable tools for students seeking tailored support in various subjects. These apps analyze individual learning patterns, provide targeted feedback, and adapt to the user's pace, ultimately enhancing learning and promoting academic success. Moving on to collaborative learning platforms, we have seen a surge in apps that facilitate group projects and knowledge sharing. Tools like StudyHub and Collaborated offer seamless communication, file sharing, and project management features, empowering students and educators to collaborate effectively, regardless of their physical location. Let's not forget the importance of mental wellness in education. Mindfulness and meditation apps such as Calm You and Mindful Moments have gained popularity for promoting stress relief, focus, and emotional well-being. In 2024, these apps integrated cognitive behavioral therapy techniques and personalized mindfulness exercises, catering to the holistic needs of learners in a fast-paced world. As we wrap up, it's clear that educational technology has evolved to meet the diverse needs of learners in 2024. From immersive VR experiences to AI-powered tutoring and collaborative platforms, these apps and tools are reshaping the education landscape. I encourage you to explore these resources, embrace their opportunities, and stay curious about the endless possibilities that educational technology continues to unfold. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video as we explore the exciting world of learning in the digital age. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content. And as always, feel free to leave your thoughts and suggestions in the comments below. Until next time, happy learning.